The Spirit World 100 is a gravel road cycling race set in the heart of downtown Patagonia to help be a catalyst for an increase in growth in recreational tourism, act as a music festival and gathering point for tourism and local community members. Patagonia's access to what is the San Rafael Valley, 90,000 acres of open space, is outstanding. It's 12 miles from some of the best gravel road riding in the United States. And we wanted to open up the Spirit World to be a part of the downtown scene. Cycling has allowed gravel road cycling specifically and hiking and mountain biking on the Arizona Trail has really opened up just another opportunity for Patagonia to be really proud of where it sits in the Sky Island ecosystem. Been a professional cycling guide for much of my adult career. I've ridden all around the world, and few places are so close to such beautiful, wild, open spaces. This place is so dedicated to keeping its unique character. That's a big goal of the Spirit World 100, is maintaining that while allowing people to come here and enjoy the natural landscape.